On the main menu, you are able to adjust your meal times by pressing on the actual time of the meals. The Edit menu will pop up, prompting you to make a change. Once the change is made, select Save. Meal times may also be adjusted in the main menu, which is found in the top left corner of the screen. Once selected, about 3/4 of the way down, you will see Edit Time. Press this button. The Edit Time menu will be on your screen, showing you all of the days of the week, giving you the ability to change any and all times. We will select Monday breakfast, for example, and make a change. Now we can select Thursday and make some adjustments as well. We will select lunch and change the time and select Save. Going back to Monday, you may also make this change to breakfast for all workout days throughout the week. Once your time is changed, it will change all breakfast times for workout days only. It's also helpful to know that the green button on the bottom will change your workout days and non-workout days throughout the week in case your schedule changes.